Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a signature line in our Gmail replies. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to click on this setting icon and select see all settings, and in here you just need to scroll down. You can able to see the signature over here. Click on create new, and you just need to name the signature you want it. For example, I just putting job. After typing it, select create. After that, on right side, type in whatever you wanted your signature line to be. You copy and paste any information as well. If you have a corporation, they might have a template for you to copy and paste in here. So after doing that, you just need to scroll down and select save changes. And that's all you had to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.